Today's tutorial, how to print a barcode label in VB.NET. How's it going, everybody? In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to print a barcode label in VB.NET using the IronBarcode library. So let's get started. First, let me show you the NuGet package manager. As you can see, I've already installed the IronBarcode package for this VB.NET project. So now let's look at our program.vb file. At the top, we import IronBarcode namespace. Inside the main subroutine, we set the IronBarcode license key in a region. Remember to always store this securely in production applications. We create a code128 barcode using barcode writer.createBarcode with the required value. Then we resize it to 400 by 100 pixels using Resize 2. We add annotation text above the barcode saying this is my test barcode generated using IronBarcode, and then display the barcode value text below using add barcode value text below barcode. Next, we customize the appearance. We change the barcode color to dark blue using change barcode color, and then set the background to corn silk using change background color. Finally, we save the style barcode as a JPEG image with the file name mystylebarcode.jpg. So let's go ahead and run the program. And the console application is executing and generating our barcode label. And perfect. The program has completed execution successfully. So let's see the generated barcode. Here's the generated mystylebarcode.jpg file. And as you can see, the professional barcode label with dark blue bars on a corn silk background. The annotation text appears above saying this is my test barcode generated using IronBarcode. And the value is displayed below. And that's it. This barcode label is ready for printing on labels, product packaging, or any other application. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronBarcode, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site. Continue to download, install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link in the description. Check it out.